Welcome back. In episode 1, we talked about emotional labor, the invisible work that keeps relationships alive. Today, we're going deeper because Labor Day isn't just about honoring work. It's about honoring fairness and fairness in relationships. That's emotional equity. When we hear equity, we think of wages, housing access, but emotional equity is just as real. It's about whether both people in a relationship feel heard, supported, and valued. Emotional equity asks, are we both showing up? Are we both investing in this connection? Or is one person always giving while the other just receives? And here's the truth. Imbalance doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's subtle. One person always initiating plans, always apologizing first, always making space for the other's feelings, but never getting the same in return. Let me tell you about Jordan and Sam. They've been best friends since college. Jordan's the listener, always there when Sam's stressed, always checking in. But when Jordan went through a tough breakup, Sam disappeared, not out of malice, just out of habit. Jordan realized something. Their friendship wasn't equitable. It was emotionally one-sided. And that realization hurt more than the breakup. Emotional equity matters because it's the foundation of trust. Without it, resentment builds. People feel unseen. And even strong relationships can quietly erode. But how do we build emotional equity? Here are 3 ways that make a real difference. Number 1, check your patterns. Ask yourself, do I tend to take up more emotional space? Do I expect others to support me without offering the same? Self-awareness is really the first step. Number 2, mutual care. Relationships thrive when care flows both ways. If someone's always listening to you, ask about how they're doing. If someone plans the hangouts, offer to take the lead the next time. Number 3, name the imbalance gently. If you feel like the emotional scales are tipping, speak up, not with blame, but with honesty. Try, I love being here for you, but I've been feeling a little alone lately. Can we talk about that? Equity isn't about keeping score. It's about mutual investment. It's about both people feeling safe, supported, and seen. So this Labor Day, let's honor not just the work we do, but the fairness we deserve. Emotional equity is a quiet revolution. It changes how we love, how we listen, how we show up. You take care and stay connected.